Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Kena ke Sarkar Pedang ubapet ia katna Development of North Eastern Region Dr. Jitendra Singh ula kentai war halor ke jing keno bakal adon ke jing persyang ban pentronya ke North Eastern Council bat haga juga por ula ongru baka Sarkar India menta ke kenti lele kandang penkup bor syu ya ke NEC na ke benta ban pentolun ya ki projek ki ban kentiu ya ke roi ke par haga ni ke than chetai lammingi. Hak jingi keren bat gilar patai kubor hak pratrik unailar arjar khat khandai Dr. Jitendra Singh ulayatu baki isu ki badai bat ke NEC ki dei ki basu keren rumah bala shu yalam bakla da manore mano Shushu ulayatu ru baka Sarkar India kalanang bha khambun shushu yaki scheme jingi rap shaki jilla jongani kathan shatai lammingi.
Actually, this has been misinterpreted. In fact, there has been a very conscious effort to give a reorientation or a new kind of role to the NEC, which would be that of both conducting research and developing new ideas and new developmental plans for the region. And on the contrary, the Northeast Infrastructure Development Scheme has been launched, wherein the prerogative and the spectrum of the authority vested with the Northeast Council will increase. So to that extent, I think it's not that way, which is as it's being interpreted. On the contrary, Northeastern Council will now have a much more meaningful role in conducting and evolving new concepts for the region.
But sir, in the past, the NEC has been the main body, the autonomous body, which had to take a lot of decision, but not now.
No, absolutely not. It still continues to be an autonomous body.